Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will cover some numericals that is based on Newton's laws of gravitation. Clear? That is based on Newton's laws of gravitation. So, before coming to the topic that means numerical, so just a brief revision. What is Newton's laws of gravitation? I hope you know, but still there is a brief revision. So don't delay. Let's proceed to the session. Just give me some time. Yes. What is the mathematical form of Newton's laws of gravitation? The mathematical form of Newton's laws of gravitation is F equal to what is? Just tell me. Yes. Just tell me. F equal to G m1 m2 by, just a minute. Yes, F equal to G m1 m2 by d square. This one. Clear? This box equation. You know very well, but still just little bit revision. It will help you. Okay. So G m1 m2 by d square, where m1 is the mass of one body and m2 is the another body. Clear? Mass of the another body, and d is the distance between m1 and m2. Clear? Again, capital G is the constant. What is the name of the constant? Universal gravitational constant. Clear? I know there is no problem, I think. Okay. So F equal to G m1 m2 by d square. Again, what is the value of G? What is the value of G? Just tell me. Just tell me. Yes. What is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Clear? So what is the value of G? G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Clear? I hope you know very well. So again, what is the relation? What is the relation between capital G and small g? Just a minute. That is the numerical part. Okay. Yes. This one. What is the relation between capital G and small g? Tell me. Quickly. What is the relation? Small g, small g equal to gm by r square. That means small g. What is small g? Tell me. What is small g here? What is small g? Small g is acceleration due to gravity. Clear? And small g equal to capital G into capital M. What is capital M? Mass of the earth. Clear? What is capital M? Mass of the earth. And r, what is r? Radius. Clear? Radius of the earth. That one. This is the picture. Clear? This is M. Mass of the earth. And these are. Clear? I hope there is no doubt. If still you have any doubt, then you can ask definitely. Clear or not? So that is the basic thing you need to understand. Okay. Now coming to the topic. That means the numerical based on Newton's laws of gravitation. So first question number 1. That means example number 10. Here example number 10. First read calculate the gravitational force. Calculate the gravitational force of attraction between point number 1. Clear? Point number 1, two persons. Clear? Two persons of mass says 50 kg and 45 kg. So one person of mass 50 kg and another 45 kg. Again distance between them. What is the distance between them? Just 1 meter. Clear? Let's say this one as a body, maybe that's his person. Let's say that is imagine that's a phone, but still, and that is another body. Clear? Let's say the mass of this body is 50 kg and they say that is 45 kg. Clear? Again this distance is 1 meter. Clear? That is not 1 meter, but still that is 1 meter. Just consider it. So what is the force of attraction between this body and this body? What is the force of attraction? Just calculate. Or what is the gravitational force? So now just think. The formula is here F equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Clear or not? Clear? Again, what is the value of G? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. That is clear. Just put the value of G. Put the value of G, then you will get 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into capital M. Let's say the capital M, not M1. Let's say M1 is here 50 kg. Clear? Here M1 is 50 kg and M2 is 45 kg. Clear? M2 is 45 kg. That's why just put 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 50 into 45 divided by what is the distance? That means R. What is the value of R? What is the value of R? Tell me. 1 meter. Again R square. That's why 1 square. Clear? I hope it is clear. Clear or not? Just tell me. Clear? Okay. Then simplify this value. Then you will get the result 1.5 into 10 to the power 7. Oh, sorry. 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton. Clear? This one. Just a minute. Okay, this one. Clear? 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton. Clear? Again one thing, how to calculate this value? পারবে এইভাবে ক্যালকুলেশন করতে without calculator? Without the help of calculator? Can you solve this? That is very simple. Just 50 into 45, that means 45 into 5. Clear? Here will be 1 0. Just put this and then simplify it, then you will get 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton. Clear? I hope it is clear. Just try to solve yourself. Okay. Again, a person, that number point number 2, a person of mass 50 kg, person of mass 50 kg and the earth. Clear? So একটা পার্সনের সাথে একটা আর্থের ফোর্স অফ অ্যাট্রাকশন। ক্লিয়ার? পার্সনের সাথে আর্থের, একটা ব্যক্তির সঙ্গে একটা নয়, একটা ব্যক্তির সঙ্গে পৃথিবীর। ক্লিয়ার? পার্সন with respect to earth, what is the force of attraction? Nothing, that is very simple. Just put the same thing, put the value of g 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, that one. Clear? Multiplied by 50. Why 50? Because the mass of the person is 50 kg. Clear? What is the mass? 50 kg multiplied by 6. 6 into 10 to the power 24. Why 6 into 10 to the power 24? Because the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Clear? Again, what is r? R means radius of the earth, radius of the earth. Clear? That is, let's say, earth, round shape. Again, the radius. Clear? Okay, actually the shape is not round shape, spherical shape, but still here r. Clear? R equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, that is given value. Clear? এগুলো কিন্তু দেওয়া থাকবে, no problem. So এগুলো নিয়ে ভাবতে হবে না যে স্যার আর এর ভ্যালু কি মনে রাখতে হবে, মাস কি মনে রাখতে হবে. If you are able to recall this value, then definitely you can remember, you can memorize this value, but still according to me দরকার নেই, don't need. Clear? But g এর ভ্যালুটা কিন্তু মনে রাখতে হবে, that is very important. The value of g, that you need to remember this value, or you need to memorize it. Clear? Again, so just put this value. Again, r is 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 6. Here 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Now r square, that's why that will be square. So ultimately 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 50 into 6 into 10 to the power 24. Clear? Divided by 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. Clear? So if you simplify the value, you will get 488.5 Newton. Clear? Again, why Newton? Why, sir? Why Newton? Why here is Newton? Nothing, very simple thing. Just you are calculating the force of attraction, that means you are calculating the force, so the unit will be force. That's why the SI unit of the force is Newton. That's why the answer is Newton. Clear? Here is the SI unit, all the things are SI, that's why that is Newton. Clear? Now coming to the next point, that means next question, the moon. Clear? The moon and the earth. So the force of attraction between the moon and the earth. Clear? So in that particular case, simple thing, the mass of the moon is given. Clear? Here 6.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Clear? And the mass of the earth is 6 into the mass of the moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg, and the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 4 kg. Again the radius of the orbit, actually the radius, that means the force of attraction, that means the distance. Clear? What is the distance or radius of the orbit is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Clear? So nothing, all data are given, just put this data in the equation, then you will get the answer. So g 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied by m1, let's say m1 is this one, 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Clear? Just put this 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Clear? Are you getting or not? I hope you understand. 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg into multiplied by 6 into 10 to the power 24. 6 into 10 to the power 24 car mass of earth. Clear? So 6.46 into 10 to the power 24, that is again radius is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Here 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter, again r square, that's why there will be a square, that means 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 whole square. Clear or not? Clear? Just simplify this value. Okay, just simplify this value, you will get the answer. Clear or not? Is there any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me, definitely I will help you. Now the same thing, the sun and the earth, same thing is there. Masses of sun, that means mass of sun is there and mass of earth is there. Again take the distance between the sun and the earth is something 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Clear? Just put this, you will get the answer. Clear or not? Again one thing, যদি কখনো রেডিয়াস না থাকে, যদি ডায়ামিটার থাকতো, ধর এখানে লেখা আছে যেটা the radius of the body, রেডিয়াসের বদলে ডায়ামিটার থাকতো, in that particular case জাস্ট তোমায় কি করতে হতো, you have to divide this value, এই ভ্যালুটা কি করতে, you have to divide this value by 2. ক্লিয়ার? আদারওয়াইজ তোমাকে রেডিয়াস নিতে হবে because the distance. Clear? Now tell me, is there any doubt? Actually তোমাদের ডিটেইলস এত ডিপ কোয়েশ্চেন আসবে না আই হোপ, বাট স্টিল যদি আসে তাও একটু বলে দিচ্ছি। Clear? Okay, so the basic thing is nothing, that is the basic thing, just you have to put the value, all the values in the equation f equal to g m1 m2 by r square, that's it. Clear? Now coming to the next example, that means example number 11. What is this? Two balls, দুটো বল, two balls of mass 1 kg each are placed with their centers in 1 meter apart. দেখো কি বলেছে, two balls of mass 1 kg each, তাহলে দুটো বল আছে প্রত্যেকের মাস হচ্ছে 1 kg, this one also 1 kg 1 kg. Clear? Again placed with the centers 1 meter apart, so 1 মিটার দূরত্বের তাদের সেন্টারস কে প্লেস করা আছে। Clear? তো দুটো বল আছে, whatever the mass is 1 kg, again this one is 1 kg, again the distance between the two balls is 1 meter. So calculate the gravitational force, that means calculate the value of g. So very simple, just put this value f equal to g m1 m2 by r square, again put the value of g 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied by m1, here m1 is also 1 kg and m2 is also same, that means 1 kg, that means 1 into 1 divided by, again the distance is 1 meter, that's why put 1 square. Clear? Again 1 1 1 everything will cancel, that means not cancel, just 1 into 1 there will be 1, again the denominator 1 square, that means 1, so the answer will be 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 kg, no Newton. Clear or not? Very simple math, very simple math. I don't think it is very tough. Okay, now coming to the next point, a gravitational force between two bodies is F. Clear? How does the gravitational force between something, I hope between the bodies affected if the distance between them is reduced to half? Clear? The distance between them is reduced to half. Again in the point number 2, the mass of each body is made double. Clear? Mass of each body is made double. So কি বলছে দেখা যাক, কি বলেছে, a gravitational force of two bodies is F. সো দুটো বডির মধ্যে গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল ফোর্সের ভ্যালু কত? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ভ্যালু? এফ। ক্লিয়ার? এবার কি বলেছে? এগেন তাদের মধ্যে যে ফোর্স অফ অ্যাট্রাকশন, সরি, দ্য ডিস্টেন্স ইজ আর, distance between the two bodies, that is r, that means this point to this point, the distance. Clear? Clear or not? Let's say this is a body, this is a body, again the value of force of attraction is f, again the distance is r, that means this distance is r. Clear? Now in the question, distance between them is reduced to half. Clear? In the first time the distance is r, যেটাকে হাফ করা হয় কি হবে? In that case r by 2. Clear or not? In that case the distance will be r by 2. So now again the mass of the each body is made double. Let's say in the beginning, that means in the previous time, the masses of the bodies is m1 and m2. That means let's say something m type. So now just you have to double it. Clear? Okay, that is a broad idea. Now see the solution. We know the gravitational force F between two bodies is given by F equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Clear? I hope it is clear. তোমরা সবাই জানো? Okay, so from this equation it is clear that F proportional to 1 by r square. Definitely F proportional to 1 by r square. Clear? If proportional to 1 by r square means the force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Clear? That means this phenomena. So F proportional to 1 by r square. Clear? Now let F dash or F prime be the gravitational force. Now let F dash or F prime, whatever, F prime be the gravitational force when the distance between them is reduced to half. Clear? So তাদের মধ্যে যে ডিসটেন্স ছিল, ধরো এটা ধরো ডিসটেন্স ছিল, এবার কি হলো? হাফ করা হলো, অর্থাৎ এটা ধরো r, লেটস সে দ্যাট ইজ r, এবার এটাকে হাফ করলে কি হবে? r by 2, that means let's say this distance. In that particular time, let's say the force of attraction is F prime. Clear? In that particular time, let's say the force of attraction is F prime or F dash. So then কি হবে তাহলে? F prime proportional to 1 by r by 2 square. F prime proportional to 1 by r by 2 whole square. Is it clear or not? First time কি ছিল? F proportional to 1 by r square. Clear? Again if r2 যদি r থাকে, r থেকে কি করা হয়েছে? হাফ করা হয়েছে, that means r2 r by 2, r2 r change to r by 2. Clear or not? r2 কি হয়েছে? Just a minute. r by, just a minute, actually there is a little bit problem. r by 2. Clear? So r2 r by 2 means, tell me, that is not looks good. Now I hope you understand. r2 r by 2. So now put in this equation, that means f prime, so r থেকে r by 2 বলে কি হবে? যা ফোর্স ছিল, ফোর্স অফ অ্যাট্রাকশন ভ্যালুটা whatever যা ছিল কি হবে? there will be a change. Clear? Let's say at first time f and in the second case f prime. Clear? So f prime will be proportional to 1 by r by 2 whole square. Clear? So r by 2 whole square means r square by 4, r square by 4. So তো কি হবে, চেঞ্জ হবে, there will be a change, then the final expression will be f prime proportional to 4 by r square. Clear or not bolo? Is there any doubt? First time কি ছিল, f proportional to 1 by r square. Clear? In the second time, when the distance is reduced to half, in that case f prime proportional to r by 4 by r square. Clear? Now calculate the gravitational force, that means the ratio of gravitational force. So dividing equation 1 and equation 2, let's say that is actually equation 1, that one is equation 1, that means f proportional to 1 by r square, that is equation 1, and f proportional to 4 by r square, f prime proportional to 4 by r square, that is equation 2. So equation 2 by equation 1, that means 4 by r square divided by 1 by r square. So if you divide, then you will get r square will cancel, r square, so just 4, that means f prime by f equal to 4, f prime by f equal to 4, or f prime, that is very important expression, just a minute, or f dash or f prime equal to 4f. Clear or not? Tell me. f prime equal to 4f, f prime equal to 4f মানে কি বুঝলাম, what is the meaning? ইনিশিয়ালি যদি f ছিল, ফাইনালি কি হবে, 4 টাইমস অ্যাট্রাকশনটা কি হবে, ইনক্রিজ করবে। ক্লিয়ার? f prime equal to 4f, মানে ফার্স্ট টাইম যদি f ছিল, in that case there will be 4 times increase, that means 4f. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me. Hey, that is the f prime equal to 4f, thus gravitational force becomes 4 times the original value. Clear? Gravitational force becomes the 4 times to the original value. Clear? Now the next part, that means mass of the earth, mass of the each body made double. Clear? Mass of the each body made double, that means here at the beginning, first time m1 is the mass and another body is m2 is the mass. Now just double it, that means in the place of m1 just put 2m1, in the place of m2 just put 2m2. Clear or not? Because double. So now take the ratio. Clear? Just you will get the answer. So now let's say, what is this, let f prime be the same thing, f prime be the gravitational force between the bodies when their masses are made double, যখন তার মাসকে কি করা হলো, ডাবল করা হলো, in that particular time let's say f prime is the force of attraction. Now so the answer will be, that means the formula will be f prime proportional to m1 m2 in the beginning, right now will be f prime proportional to 2m1 2m2. Why 2m1? Because masses are doubled. Why 2m1? Initially m1, finally 2m1, initially here is m2, finally there will be 2m2. Clear? Just put this, that means 2 multiplied by 2, the answer will be 4, or f prime proportional to 4 m1 m2. Is it clear or not? Tell me. So f prime proportional to 4 m1 m2, initially f prime proportional to m1 m2. Clear? So now just divide f prime to f, that means Dividing equation 4 by equation 3, that means here equation 3 f prime proportional to m1 m2 and here f prime proportional to 4 m1 m2. So f prime by f equal to, that means 4 m1 m2 by m1 m2, just m1 m2 m1 m2 cancel each other. So the answer will be f prime by f equal to 4 or f prime equal to 4f. F prime equal to 4f. What is the meaning? The same meaning. The gravitational force becomes 4 times the original value. Clear? তাহলে আগে যা ছিল তার কি হবে? 4 times হবে, অর্থাৎ 4 গুণ হবে। Is it clear or not? That is very interesting and important question. Very, very important. Just little bit revision. Okay, question number 12, little bit difficult, that's why একবার রিভাইজ করে দিচ্ছি। Gravitational force of a body is F. Clear? একটা বডির কত ছিল gravitational force? Let's say F. Now the two condition: if the distance between them is reduced to half, let's say first time F, second time কি হবে? F by sorry, first time R, distance is R, second time distance is R by 2. Clear? And in the second point, mass of each body is made double. Let's say initially the masses of the body is m1 and m2. Clear? After that means finally there will be double. That means instead of m1 just put 2m1, instead of m2 just put 2m2. Clear? Very simple thing. Now f proportional to 1 by r square. Again in the second case, f prime proportional to 4 by r square. Clear? Now take the ratio, then you will get f prime by f equal to 4 or f prime equal to 4f. Simple thing. Now the masses are double, that means initially m1 m2, finally 2m1 2m2. Clear? That means initially f proportional to m1 m2, finally f prime proportional to 4 m1 m2. Clear? Now take the ratio, that means f prime by f, then you will get 4 m1 m2 by m1 m2, then m1 m2 will cancel each other. The final expression will be f prime equal to 4f. That means gravitational force becomes 4 times of the original value. Clear? I hope it is clear. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet in the another session. So till then, tata, bye bye and take care.